So I'm here in Bridgewater, New Jersey, between a strip mall and a doctor's office in a vacant lot where there's a broken down barbecue truck. But don't have any fear, they know them around here. This is Big Pinks BBQ.
We're getting a meatloaf sandwich.
Great barbecue, it's the best.
Brisket sliders for Ness.
There's not a lot of food trucks like this food truck.
And there aren't a lot of pitmasters like former attorney Marty Gleason. He owns this funky food truck with Nazareth Saavedra, who met Marty when he was her high school wrestling coach.
I volunteered as coach for 30 years. It was my avocation while I practiced law.
So give me the story.
My sister gave me a smoker for my birthday. I would smoke meat while I would be doing my law work.
That manifests itself into you quitting law and being in a food truck in a dirt lot? You know what? I think you follow your heart. What are we cooking today?
The Abe Froman,
So a big Ferris Bueller's Day Off guy?
my favorite movie.
One of my all-time, the Abe Froman. Sausage King of Chicago.
The Abe Froman takes the sausage sandwich to a whole new level.
The combination of the sausage and melted American cheese, it's got the onion ring. It's really something special.
This is the kickoff of the Abe Froman.
Yep, we're gonna mix up the spice rub for the fennel sausage,
Let me see it.
garlic salt, Himalayan pink salt, oregano,
A lot of fennel.
red pepper, and kosher salt. Here are the brisket trimmings,
Season it.
straight to the casing from the grinder.
You grind and case at the same time.
Yes.
Okie dokie.
Put it in the refrigerator for 2 days, then we smoke it for about 2 hours.
Okay?
We're gonna make the mustard sauce. Start with some white vinegar,
Nice cascade there, Marty.
a little yellow mustard, ketchup, sriracha, and then some chili powder. Natural white sugar. I like to use the natural sugars because they don't bind when I
Right,
do my
right, right.
rubs. Black pepper.
And some brown natural sugar. Cook this down, and the next one we're gonna make is the Big Pink
We're
sauce.
gonna do our big pink sauce.
Hit it.
Ketchup, brown sugar, Old Bay,
You better obey.
kosher salt, granulated garlic, cayenne pepper, a little mustard powder. I love mustard powder.
Worcestershire.
Pineapple juice,
Where does the kitchen sink come in here?
molasses,
Just because it pours out slow doesn't mean you have to say it slow.
lemon juice, black pepper, white sugar.
How long is this gonna go?
About 45.
Both sauces are done. The sausage is finished.
It's gonna go to the hot grill, and we're gonna whack it with our big pink sauce and our mustard
We're gonna
sauce.
whack it. That's what we call it. We're whacking
Hey,
it.
you're in New Jersey. What do you want?
We're whacking it the Big Pink with the guy with better hair than I got. All right, big man.
I'm gonna slice the sausages, put them on the bun, piece of American cheese, hit it with the torch, homemade Alabama sauce, mustard sauce we made, and the big pink sauce we made. Put on some onion rings, then we're gonna pray it stays up.
I agree. Great amount of fennel inside of the sausage. Great texture to it. A little bit of smoke. Love the sauces. Delicious. You got a winner.
Thank you, man.
Abe Froman, Sausage King of Chicago.
You're the sausage king of
You're the sausage king, right?
Abe Froman from Mario.
That cheese and that combination of that homemade sausage just gives it a spectacular taste.
This is banging. This is a Jersey sandwich. I want to have another bite. It's all going every way. Don't be worried about that.